Hey, this is Grant Bynum. We're at the Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. The Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. And hey, we're looking at this beautiful club lounge. It's really pretty. So this is an area that's very attractive. It's separated area. It's got doors to it. And so you can take this area and you can basically, I believe, lease it for a few hours, reserve it, and it won't be very much money. So beautiful space here. Look at all the lighting. This is on the 22nd floor where all the amenities are. It sits a lot of people as well. Or you can just come here and sit and work during the day. You saw that plugs there, so you got that. And then you've got this area here too. This is really, really pretty. So this is an outside area that looks good as well. So really pretty area just to relax, watch weekend night or weekend activities, and then kind of an oasis from everything where you can really enjoy life. Hey, if you want to experience the Hanover Turtle Creek and maybe take a tour, a Zoom tour, or even a live tour, send me a text. Just use that number below. I'm Grant Bynum. I'd love to help you find your perfect Hanover Turtle Creek experience. It's 100% free service, and I look forward to hearing from you. We can also compare uptown high-rises as well and see multiple tours. So I look forward to hearing from you, and now we're going to see the pool. Let's go see that pool.